Today, our topic is health and hygiene. A good living is possible only when we live a healthy life. A healthy life is possible when we remain physically fit and free of any disease. To remain healthy, we must eat nutritious food, stay active, and follow the rules of cleanliness. So, today, our topic is our food. So food varies from age to age, from height to height, and there are many different parameters. So the food we eat throughout the day makes up our diet. Our food contains nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. The amount of a type of nutrient varies from food to food. We also need water and roughage. Roughage is a fiber in our diet. So, how much do you need to eat? There are several parameters. Like children who are more active, they need more food. People who do heavy work need more food than people who do mild work, and the tall and heavy people need more food than people who have a smaller build. So the people that are heavy in weight, they need more and more energy according to their own size. As people grow older and become less active, their food requirements becomes less. You have to remember that as a human is more and more active, he needs more and more food for his requirements. So that was how much do you need to eat. As you have seen that the food you eat is just varying based on your activities. So you need to know that all types of food do not contain all the nutrients in the same proportion. So there must be a balanced food. So here I'm defining a balanced food, that a diet which contains different types of food possessing the nutrients, that is a balanced diet. Or you can say a diet all the nutrients in right proportion is called a balanced diet. So here you can see a pyramid for a balanced diet. In this you can see here in box are fats, oils, and sweets. These are the contents that you have to eat less. And in the second portion there are milk group and meat or pulses. You have to eat an appropriate of milk group or meat or pulses. And in the next one is vegetable group and the fruit group. You have to eat a lot of vegetables and a lot of fruit, as much as you can eat. And the next and the last one is bread and cereals group, and you have to eat the most of the bread and the cereal groups. So in food pyramid you have learned that you have to avoid, or you have to eat less of fats, oils, and sweet, and you have to eat a lot of vegetables, fruits, bread, and cereal group. So now you need to know that what are the different groups of food. Here I depicted the one, bread and cereal group. Bread and cereal group are made from grains such as like cereal, rice, wheat, and corn. They are really rich in carbohydrates. They provide us the fiber too, and fiber help us to digest our food and also provide us energy. So the next group is vegetable and fruit group. They provide us vitamins, minerals, and some vegetables like potato, sweet potato are rich in carbohydrate, and some soft or dry fruits like apricots, raisins, dates, etc. They are also rich in carbohydrates, and they help to prevent diseases. And next one is the milk group. The milk group provide us calcium, proteins, and vitamins. They help us to build strong bones and teeth. Next group is meat, pulses, and beans. Meat, fish, egg, pulses, beans, nuts, and seeds are included in this group. They help us to building strong muscles. They also provide some proteins, and proteins are the bodybuilding foods. The next group is fats and oils. We need some oil for good health. We get oils from oil seeds like mustard, groundnut, sunflower seeds, and oil is also extracted from animal sources like animal fats and fish. Here is an important information for you. Whenever you are not able to get balanced food, so there will be some diseases for which you will be interacting. So the diet of some children lack food rich in protein and starch. Their diet is not balanced. So these children are very thin and have pot bellies. This condition is called malnutrition. So you need to know that you must have to take a balanced diet, otherwise you will get otherwise you will get some disease. So here is a warm-up quiz. Like you add look at the two pictures. In which place would you like to live, in why? So you have to give reasons for this. Like if you want to live there, you have to put reasons that why you want to live there. You have to write reasons on your notebooks. Here is another activity. Like you have to draw two foods you like to eat from the each of the following groups. Like you have to give two examples for bread and cereal group, and two examples for vegetable and fruit groups, and two for milk group. So you have to write this on your notebooks. And the next activity is you have to name two foods each of the following groups, like bread and cereal group, vegetable group, fruit, milk and meat. You have to give two examples for each group. So you have to write this too on your notebooks. So there is another activity for you. Like you have to draw the diagram of food pyramid for a balanced diet.